In today's video, I want to show you an opportunity in USDCHF that you can take advantage of and make some cool money. So if you're looking for a trading opportunity that you can take advantage of and bagging some cash in your trading this week, then don't miss this very opportunity, because I'll be pointing out exactly the area I'll be looking for entry opportunities and also area I'll be taking my profits. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next video. So without further ado, let's get right into the business. This is USD CHF 4 hours time frame chart, and if you look to the left, you see that this market has been in an upward trend. Okay, now we have a double top right here with our neck region right here, and a double top is a bearish reversal pattern. So as a result, price is going to drop at least an equivalent distance of the height of this pattern, and that's going to be right here. Okay, it could go very much lower, but that is the minimum that price is going to drop. Okay, in fact, I am expecting the price to drop very much lower. Okay, but now let's look at where to take advantage of this. Here is where the opportunity lies. When you look at this point, we find out that this price was trading within this channel. Okay, this is a channel, and the price just reclaimed the bottom of that channel, and market loves symmetry. Okay, so the market will tend to move towards the top of that channel to complete the symmetry. Then look at this other smaller channel too. The price has just reclaimed the bottom of that same channel. So in this case, we've seen the price reclaim bottom of these two channels. Okay, so price is certainly going to move back into this very area, the top of this channel. That is where you will begin to see some bearish pressure. However, there is imbalance just above here, so we may see the price fill up that imbalance by moving up towards the top of this very bigger channel to also complete the symmetry. So from there, we may see the price drop back to this area. So the best way to go about it is to start looking for sell opportunities around here. You may scale in a little position here, but then ultimately let your bigger position be around here. Okay, then your stop loss will just be above this high, and your take profit will be here and below. And don't forget that liquidity is what drives the market. Okay, the market seek liquidity, and liquidities are always below lows and above highs. So to the downside here, there are liquidities below this lows and there are liquidities below this low. So price will be targeting those liquidities first, hitting our target here and possibly coming below to around 0.8600. So that is where the price will be going to. So if you follow this very analysis with a 0.1 loss size, you should be expecting to make over $200 from this very trade. Thank you for watching, and do have a great day.